Yo, what's up YouTube? Brad Epperson here. Got a special video for you. It is freaking freezing outside, but that's alright because I went and bought this Trinova foam cannon on Amazon and I'm ready to give it a blast. We're going to be using this little power washer. This is a greenworks 1600 psi. It's a small little thing, probably the smallest one you can get. But I've heard that it can run a foam cannon pretty well. We're going to find out. Alright, so the candidate for the first foam cleaning is my F350 truck. It is absolutely disgusting. Honestly, I haven't washed it in over a year. I know that's pathetic. I can never call myself a car guy just because I don't care. I mean, as you can see here, guys, this dirt is caked on. See if it focuses on that. I mean, it's just awful. I doubt the foam cannon can get that off, but hopefully with a strong concentrate of some car wash stuff, it can do it. We'll spray it on there and we will find out. Alright guys, before we get started, I was going to let you know that we are using blue coral wash and wax concentrate. I honestly don't know where I got this. Probably Walmart, and it was probably pretty cheap because that is just the way I am. Hopefully it'll work well. So we'll get hooked up and we will get foaming. And we will get foaming. And we will get foaming. Foam. Alright guys, so as you can see, got it all foamed down. I guess I'll let that sit. It is pretty dang cold outside. It's not even 40 degrees, so I don't have to worry about the sun evaporating it and drying on the paint. So I'm just going to let that sit, let it run, and then we are going to... Oh, look, my thing fell over. We are going, and it's supposed to have a wide bottom and stay up, but I'm sure that's just when it's sitting down. But we will let that sit for a few minutes, and then we will spray it off and see what happens. And then also, while this sits and does its sooty magic that it's supposed to do, I'll just go ahead, and you guys probably already know this, the idea of using the foam cannon is to not have any kind of abrasiveness by using a rag first. It's just to rinse and try to loosen all that dirt chemically without rubbing it into the paint. This truck is, and the reason I use the concentrate, this truck, work truck, so it does not have any kind of sealant on it, which it needs, and I'll be doing in the next day. It's supposed to be very beautiful tomorrow, so I'm going to wait till then to do it. But I'm just very curious, like I said, to see how the foam cannon works. Alright guys, well I've let this foam sit on there for about 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and swap out the cannon for this the white tip, which is a 40, I don't know if it'll zoom in focus, or, oh there it goes, 40 degree angle, and we'll see what this looks like rinsed off. All dried and done. You know, honestly, I'm not disappointed at all. I'm very surprised with how well it came out. The foam cannon, I think, did great, kind of, you know, agitating the dirt without me having to touch it, and the pressure washer did pretty good. spraying it off. There's still, I mean, this honestly, like I said, hadn't been washed in like a year, and it's a work truck, and it probably needs like serious paint correction. But for just a quick little wash, I can see how a foam cannon would definitely make life easier. Also, I think if this car had a sealant on it, I think using a foam cannon once a week with the soap diluted, not to strip the wax, I think it would do a great job. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you enjoyed the content, check out my other videos and think about subscribing. We're gonna have more videos like this. I'll also post a link in the description with all the products that we used, and then hopefully soon to come I'll have a video of me polishing this and getting this paint back to where it needs to be. I mean, it's got some, I don't know if you can see that, it's got some heavy scratches in it, like I said, from being a work truck, but who knows, maybe I can get some of this stuff out, get some paint and fix some of these chips. But yeah, my final thoughts were I really like the foam cannon, and it made washing the car more entertaining. Oh, and before I go, check out what it did to the wheel. The wheel, I thought, came out pretty good. So anyway, guys, I will see you next upload.